How to see all blocked contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for apps. Tap on it and scroll down again and navigate to phone option. Here, scroll down and you will see the blocked contacts option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the contacts that you have blocked. You can simply tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the minus icon you see there if you want to unblock some of the contacts from your blocked list. So, this is how you can see all blocked contacts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.